Part 6, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. Absorbed in thought, Hindi, Gehari soch mein duba hua. Explanation, thinking deeply and not noticing other things. Example, he was so absorbed in thought that he didn't hear his name. 2. Acid test, Hindi, Asli pariksha. Explanation, a test that shows the true value or quality of something. Example, the final match will be the acid test for their team. 3. Against the clock, Hindi, Samye ke khilaf daudna. Explanation, trying to finish something before a deadline. Example, we were working against the clock to complete the project. 4. Ahead of the curve, Hindi, dusro se aage ya zyada samajhdar. Explanation, more advanced or better than others. Example, her ideas are always ahead of the curve. 5. Airy-fairy, Hindi, avastavik ya bekar vichar. Explanation, ideas that are not practical or realistic. Example, his plan sounded a bit airy-fairy to everyone. 6. Alive and kicking, Hindi, puri tarah sakri or svasth. Explanation, healthy, active, and full of energy. Example, after the treatment he is alive and kicking again. 7. All bark but no bite, Hindi, sirf bolta hai karta kuch nahi. Explanation, someone who threatens but doesn't act. Example, don't worry about him, he is all bark but no bite. 8. All Greek and Latin, Hindi, bilkul samajhna aana. Explanation, something very difficult to understand. Example, this scientific chapter is all Greek and Latin to me. 9. All in all, Hindi, kul milakar, considering everything together. Example, all in all, the trip was a great experience. 10. Alter ego, Hindi, atmi mit ya dusra roop. Explanation, someone very close to you or your second personality. Example, he is more than a friend, he is my alter ego.